Hope everybody's doing well. This video is going to be about the Tbleague / Feishin, the different sizes in the feet. So in some of my previous videos, you may have heard me talking about like certain other dolls, or certain dolls or action figures, parts and stuff will fit. Like what is that? I found out that the Rainbow High shoes, the boots, will work for the normal size and the small feet, but not the large. And it got me wondering why Tbleague went and made all of the different size feet. So I guess, you know, they were trying to go for realism. Who knows? Because like the bigger the lady, the bigger the feet. But some of them were actually smaller. They were shorter figures. And like if you look in some of my previous videos, the S28/29 and the S38/39, they were shorter figures, but they come with the large feet. And it makes no sense because they're actually two of the shorter shorter figures on that end of the spectrum. To whereas like the 21, the 16, the 21, 22, 16, 17, 20, 21, they use the normal size feet. And then like the really small bodies, the 24, 25, 26, 27, and then in some of the 40s, I believe, they use the little feet. And what I found is, looks like I have these mixed up here. What I found is that the connectors are the same for the big feet and the medium feet. So if you have like a 52, 53, a 28, 29, 38, 39, 40, 46, 47, or is it, I'm sorry, yeah, 42, 46, 47, all of them come with the big feet, but you can use the regular feet on them because the hole size is about the same. So it doesn't stretch or anything like that. But the smaller feet, you can pretty much tell that the pegs on them are smaller, and they even, other people have done videos on that, and they were pretty thorough as far as showing you that on the smaller figures that not only the leg and hand pegs for those figures, but the neck peg as well, they're smaller. So if you look, you can tell. I'll do a comparison here with them being right next to each other. So that you can see. It's like musical chairs over here. Okay. So now you can kind of see the difference in the sizes. So like, although the smaller feet and the regular feet are the same size just about, the pegs in the smaller feet are a lot smaller. So the medium feet will work. So once again, the ones that I know of, haven't got all of them, but the ones I know of that use the big feet are the 28/29, the 38/39, the 46, 47, the 52, 53. I know those for a fact because I purchased those and I've done videos recently. If you go and look at some of my previous videos, they use these really big feet that are hard to fit anything. because they are so big. And like I said, the 2829 and 3839 are shorter figures. So there's a lot that fit these. So the regular size feet work for the 16, 17, the 20, 21, the 22, 23, and I'm not sure on some of the other lower numbers, because a lot of the lower numbers had seamless feet. They were the floppy feet that were connected. So like the 4, 6 and the 7, 9, the feet on those were connected. And then these little fellas here, they use, like I said, the little figures that are almost like they're just like a couple of inches tall. They're like 9-inch to 10-inch figures. So they're just they're like 10 point something, 10 and some change, but they're almost the same size as like a 9-inch action figure. And they're a lot more smaller. Those were the 24, 25, 26, 27. They use those feet. And then some of the tall, slender figures like the anime girl, I forget which body number she was, but some of those use those same feet as well. So let me show you guys something real quick about what I was talking about. Okay, so by pure coincidence, I have a niece, and she's about 6 years old, and she's into the Rainbow High, the Monster High. She's into those. So I bought her a couple of the dolls, on her, when we had a little outing one time. I took her and her dad out. We just had a little outing. Took her, bought her some school clothes and stuff. And she wanted some of these dolls, so I bought her a couple of them. And I was looking at the shoes, and I'm like, man, these guys come with some really, cool looking shoes. So I went back and decided to try, I bought one for myself just to get the shoes off of them. The clothes, they work for the smaller one, the smaller Tbleague, like the 24, 25 is the one that can fit these, and the 26, 27. The clothes work vaguely. They more so work with the smallest one, the 26, 27. So when I put that on an S22 here, put the boots, the Tbleague boot, I said Tbleague, the Monster High boots on the the S23, 22, 23, but this is the 23C. They fit well because they use the normal size feet. So like the ones with the normal size feet and the small feet can fit the Rainbow High shoes. So let me see if I can get a demonstration here going. So this is one of the normal size feet. And you see how I'm having just a little bit of trouble getting it in, but when you have it on the figure and put it in, it slides in perfect. Or if you want to, put the shoe on first and it slides in, and then you put the figure in. And it I use rubber bands, like the clear rubber bands, to kind of close that back up, but fits in there like that. Now, when you have the bigger foot, it lodges in there and it won't go anywhere. It's not moving at all. And then the smallest foot here, of course it'll fit, because it's the same size as the regular, just, and then you got to work it in there. But those will fit the Rainbow High dolls. I don't know about Monster High. Haven't tried them yet because the shoes for them look like they're a little smaller, a little more narrow. So I will probably end up doing a video where I get some of those and let you guys know how that works out. And just in case you noticed, I do have a head. So the head on this actually came from an old, like how I was telling you guys in my previous videos, the BBI Psy Girls. So this is the African American head that came on the old Psy Girls doll, the Perfect Body version 2. And this skin tone actually fits the dark brown version of the new Tbleague bodies better than it does this one, but it works well with this one. And since this was like the darkest head that I could find at the time, I figured I would use it for the darker body. It's just like probably like 2 shades off, shade or 2 off, something like that, but it works pretty well. Yep. So that is my video for today. If you come up with any ideas or anything, or if this helped you out, drop me a line, and like and follow if this content helped you out. Like I said, I do this for people who are collectors or who are thinking about collecting, and trying to get you guys some ideas going, and get some help out there to you. So thanks again, and you guys have a great day.